Marui?
I think so.
Right, I better stop there and explain what's going on. Firstly though, welcome back to the channel. This footage was taken at TM Airsoft and we're about to play a game of King of the Cone. However, first things first, and we need to decide which team is going at which end of the map. And of course, the best way to sort this out is with a pistol duel. Anyway, let's get on with the duel.
So whoever wins gets the perk. It's gonna be you, lad. In hand cannon, you've just given him that. Got a mag in it?
Go.
Well, we win the duel and we get to pick our preferred side. Now if you're new here, this game mode is a variation of King of the Hill, where two teams, in this instance my team of blues versus the opponent's red team, battle it out to control a single point on the map, in this case the cone. You'll rack up time when someone is in direct contact with the cone, and the team at the end of the game with the most time on the clock wins. Simples. Right, let's get into the action and strap in. This is a pretty frantic one with bags of kills with the amazing Wolverine MTW. Enjoy.
Go. Let the king kill then. Got him.
Can I push up on that IBC?
Put that. Oh, didn't I?
I'm pushing up.
Go for it. Alright, that.
Right, take the shot. Take the hit. Yeah, thank you.
What the f is going on here?
You don't want to take it either. You don't want to take it? Shredder position. We've got no one pushing around. He took a few then, didn't he? Come on then! Come on Ben, I can't move any more forward.
Got him.
Oh, you must be hitting.
Thank you.
Come on then, didn't he?
You know, tell me about it.
There. Right hand side, come around your right now, come around your right. He's blind firing as well. He's running all the way back. No, I thought he was going to attack then.
No.
Did you get all three?
Think so.
Monster kill.
Got him. Got him. Thank you.
Ben, where are you? Oh yeah, I see ya.
Where are you looking?
Come on then. I can't move any faster. What are you camping?
Got him.
Come on. Tempted for a good header ball, mate.
Kid,
Gotta move forward, I can't hit ya!
they're not getting any further than this tree. How's that right side looking? They're right. Got him. Got him. Mate, cheat codes over here. Just watch the head of you. They're just fish in a barrel on the left hand side. Just picking them off. Got him. Yes, have some, mate. Oh, mate, we're dominating them there. Have we got anyone on the cone? Have we got blue on the cone? No. Yes, we have now. Come on, mate. I've been like blind firing. I'll take that. I don't think you're looking though. Oh, what?
And this brings us to the end of the game. Annoyingly, if I had managed to hold out for another couple of minutes, I would have gone the entire game with no deaths. Either way, bags of kills, and I did a great job at keeping the red team from getting anywhere near the cone, meaning the blue team totally dominated this round. Now if you've enjoyed this video and you want to see more, smash a like down below. And if you're new around here, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit that little bell icon too to be notified when I drop new content. And I'll see you in the next one.